Hello students, let us try to understand that is short notes on emission spectrum. Okay, short notes on emission spectrum. So what is emission spectrum, student? That is the band which is being formed by the emission of the radiation. Let us see. If a molecular form of gas is used, if a molecular form of the gas is used, it first absorb energy for not only electron transition but for the rotational, vibrational, transitional, then emits the radiation. So see, here is the source of light is there, okay, and here is the gas is filled in the box, students. Okay, now what is there, students? That is, this gas absorb energy. Okay, this gas absorb the energy. After the absorption the energy, this gas is radiating the energy also. On examining these radiation through the spectroscope, this is suppose the spectroscope, student. Okay, wait, a spectroscope, a spectrum is obtained on screen. So this is spectrum because it is passing to the prism, student, and this is what is the spectrum. This is what is observing, that is spectrum, which are group of closely packed line called bands. So these are what is, that is bands, or color bands are forming. Therefore this type of emission spectrum is called as emission band spectrum. Band are separated from each other by dark space. So this is color is there, then dark will be there, fit color dark. This is the okay. Since the broad band spectrum are caused by molecule, therefore band spectrum is also called molecular spectrum. Now let us move for the another absorption spectrum. So what is the absorption spectrum? Let us try to understand, students. Now this is the source of light and then it is the gas. Okay, now what is happening here? You see, when white light is first passed through a solution or vapors of the chemical substance or gas and then analyzed by spectroscope, it is observed that some dark line are obtained in otherwise continuous spectrum. This type of spectrum is called absorption spectrum. So these are the mostly there you will find that is dark line are being the observed, students. Okay, so that is what is known as the what absorption spectrum. If white light is passed through the atomic gas, then the obtained spectrum is called absorption line spectrum. If white light is passed through the molecular gas, then the obtained spectrum is called absorption band spectrum. So this was the spectrum. Now let us try to understand the hydrogen line spectrum of the hydrogen spectrum. When an electric excitation is applied on the atomic hydrogen gas at low pressure, a bluish light is emitted. When a ray of this light is passed through a prism, a spectrum of several isolated sharp lines is obtained. The wavelength of the various lines show that spectrum lines lie invisible, ultraviolet and infrared region. These lines are grouped into the different species. Okay, so here they are see, this is the hydrogen atoms, okay, and this is the ground state orbits. So how the emission, firstly electron is falling from the high energy orbit to ground state, so that is what is known as Lyman series. If higher to second series, that is Balmer series, and that is visible region. Okay, now if higher to third orbit, this is what is known as Paschen series or infrared region. If it is the fourth series, that is IR region, that is bracket, and next O orbit, that is IR region P fund, and last one is Humphrey series. So you can see here how that is the hydrogen spectrum is being like that way also you can understand, that is how the electron is getting excited and de-excited. So when electron is falling from nth energy orbit to ground state, so this is what is known as, student, Lyman series. This is known as Lyman series. Okay, so Lyman series are there, and this Lyman series is of UV region. Okay, UV region. Now next one, if the higher energy orbit, so it is forming n equal to 2. this is 1 and this is if falling to 2, here it is falling to 2. So this is known as, student, that is Balmer series, student. Balmer series. This Balmer series is visible region, student. This is the visible region. If you talk about the next, if it is falling from the N series to third orbit, so this is known as bracket series, Paschen series, student. This is known as what, student? This is the next one is, this is the Paschen series. Paschen series. Okay, this is Paschen series is IR region, student. Okay, this is the infrared region. Now that is nth orbits to, it can fall down to which fourth number orbit also, student. So this is Paschen series. After Paschen series it will come, that is which one, student? Bracket series. So this is coming, that is what? Bracket series. Okay, now it is also possible, that is the last orbit to it is going to the 6th one. So how it will be, that is, this name is P fund series. This is the P fund series, and if it is going to this series, so that is, it is known as Humphrey series. Humphrey series. So this is what the hydrogen spectrum, student. That is the spectrum means, that is band, band that is being absorbed. Okay, whether it is emission or that is absorption of light.